Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to import and export your contact lists. It's really quite simple. When you're logged in to the back end, you're going to have your home screen like this. I want you to, there's two ways you can go about this. You can go over here to the left-hand navigation and click on contacts. It's going to take you to your contact page, which I'll show you. And from here, you can click this button and add a contact just one at a time if you need to manually add someone, or you can do mass upload with your contacts. So you're gonna wanna click that if you have an Excel file or a CBS file. You're gonna choose the file right here from your computer. It's super easy. You can also copy paste if you wanna do it that way. And you can see I have a sample list here. It's going to upload my file. And it's going to import the first, your first name, last name, whatever columns you have, it will import for you. So if you have email addresses and you want to keep all that information about each contact, import it all. And then you're going to click continue. This part is important if you want them added to an existing group. Like let's say you have multiple keywords and groups that you're texting on behalf of your brand, then you're gonna wanna select, like I might want this list to go into, I'm gonna put them into my sample test list, but you can see all my groups will show up. I'm clicking sample test, I agree to the terms and conditions, and I finish my contact upload. So it's super simple, and then it will actually take you right to, you want to schedule a message or return to your dashboard. I'm going to return to the dashboard because the other thing I wanted to show you is that if you go from this screen, so you have your option over here on the left-hand navigation, and you can also do it right here where you can upload or you can view your contacts. So I'd click upload, and it's going to take me to that same upload screen. I also want to show you really quick how to export your contacts. You would go to over here, view your contacts. You can also use the left side navigation. I'm just headed to view it this way. It's going to bring up your contacts. You can see right here. This is showing me 1 to 10 of 26. Over here, if you can show more per page, just so that you know, but there's a button right here that says export contacts, and that's what you're going to click to export your whole list. If you want to filter that, you have all these filters up here. So maybe you just want to see the group for, sample test. You're going to filter that list. And it's just going to bring up the people, like I've got 8 people on that list, and I'm going to export those contacts. And it's going to send it to me as an email. I'm going to click on export. You can change that if you want that to go somewhere else. Click export. And that's it. You will receive your email within just a few seconds. I just got mine. So that's it. It's really simple. I do want to tell you that you need to have the explicit permission of people to upload your contacts into the text message marketing platform, as you need to have, it's a permission-based type of marketing. So you definitely want them to have provided you their cell phone number. They want to be communicated with that way before uploading into the program.